All right, so I just bought these, and I got to replace a couple lights out front. So it comes with some directions, and it's got a little Allen wrench. These are little connectors that you can use, and basically, you get 6 lights. Let me show you. Hold this one out, and it's got a little connection here that you're going to put right here, just like this. It's going to connect on there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put them out front. And these are nice, man. I think these are better than the ones that I bought before. So let me set that down. These are all the spikes, and it's all metal. These are all metal, which is kind of good. And this, basically, you just unscrew this. You follow me? Let me show you. You unscrew it. So, oops, just lost my... Oh, God. You get it? So here it is. So you got this little screw. You put it, little washer. Put it on there like that. And then I think what we're going to do is just kind of like get her through there. You follow me? And so I've got the washer on this side, right? Get it through there. And then I'm just going to take this, put it on here, and righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Oh, that's pretty easy. Nice and tight. All right, bam, that's it. And then we stick that in the ground. And we may have to get a little bit more on these. I may strip them down a little bit farther, and then that'll be ready to go. All right, some of these are pretty tight, so you may need the Allen wrench to get them loose. So you got to go lefty-loosey like that. You follow me? Lefty-loosey. And then you can go ahead and get this off of here. And if you do it this way, your washer won't fall off. Well, it's not supposed to fall off. It's stuck on there. It should stay on your screw. And I dropped that one also. Let me grab it. All right, so keep the washer on your screw if you can. All right, now we can go ahead and get this. So first what we're going to do is we're just going to place it through the hole, just like that. Then we'll get this and we'll spin it. Righty-tighty. Notice how I'm going clockwise. Once I get it to a point where it's kind of tight, then you can go ahead and get in there with the Allen wrench, and got to play with it a little bit to get it in. Okay, that's in, and then I'm just going to go and tighten it just a little bit. So you got to do these little small tightening moves, because you don't have a lot of room to work with. You see what I mean? Like that. That's tight. All right, that one's on there. Okay, so now I've got this one. And then we just got to go to 18, if you guys remember from the last one. So we're going to go ahead and get on 18. Right there. Give us some extra space. Pop it off. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Get the other one. 18. And done. Now we're ready to go. This one's a little threaded, but... All right, so we got 2 of these. And we can go ahead and put them in the ground. Okay, for this job, we're going to need these. We're going to need some electrical tape. And you're going to need your wire nuts, okay? So, get all that stuff ready to go. Let's pull this light out. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this right here, and I'll just use this wire. I mean, why not, right? So all I got to do is get right through there. And bam, it's done, right? So that one's done. Now I've got to strip this. Maybe I can do it this way. And then maybe I can pull them apart. See, the thing is that, oh yeah, see? So I'm in between it, but I've got to pull it down the middle, like that. If I can do that, then I can go and just connect these. And I can use smaller wire nuts too. So this may work. See what I'm doing? I'm pulling it apart like that to expose these wires. These two wires right here. And that's what I need. Yeah, see, that's better. Now I can go ahead and strip those. I'll cut these little pieces off. You follow me? Like that. And I gotta go to probably 18, right? Because I'm thinking it's probably the same. Get down here. And yeah, that's good. That worked. Let's find 18 again. 18, and I like it. All right, now we're ready to go. Now we can go ahead and hook up our new light. All right, so here's our new light. And so I think I'm just gonna stick it right down in here, just like before, right? And it's gonna kind of point up, just like that. And then we're gonna grab our wire, our two wires here. So that's gonna be like that. And then we're gonna take these two, and we're just gonna connect these two together. You follow me? So I need to get these two together, right? So I'm gonna just go like this. And then these two together. So I'm just gonna go like that. And then I get, well, those didn't want to stay together, did they? All right, now we got to put our wire nuts on there. Now the question is, which one should we use? Shall we use I think I'm going to use the orange. Yeah, let's try orange. We'll go with the orange. Because that seems like it could fit, right? So let's go ahead and see if it goes on. Or the orange might be too big. All right, we'll try the blue on this one. Orange, I think, is too big. Well, maybe not. See how it's spinning? So I gotta go with blue. I gotta go with the smaller one. So yeah, wire nuts are important. You get the right ones. We got to get the blue one, right? We're going blue. So I got to get two more. There we go. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Now, of course, tonight we'll come out and we'll check it. So now, what I want to do is I want to put some tape around it. You follow me? Got to find the edge of it. Here it is. Put some tape around it. First we'll take these two and we'll tape them together. And then we're just going to go around it all the way up. Just like that. You know? I think that'll work. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we just got to get this get that out of there. Set that down there. And we should be okay. And now we just gotta, we'll see how bright she is tonight. All right, so I'm not gonna bury the wire right now, but I put it here. So we're gonna shine it on those bougainvillea. And then this bad boy back here will be pointed right up in the corner here. And yeah, that should work. And then we'll throw these two out.